In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your email to monday.com so you can send, receive, and track emails directly inside your boards. This is a powerful feature that helps you keep all communication in one place, streamline your workflow, and avoid constantly switching between your inbox and your project management system. If you use monday.com for sales, client management, support, or team collaboration, this setup is going to save you a lot of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more monday.com tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the specific board where you want to send or receive emails. This could be a CRM board, a client project board, a support tracker, or any board where email communication is important. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving on to the next step. Now that you're inside your board, the next step is to add the Emails and Activities app. To do this, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This will open the monday.com app marketplace. In the search bar, type Emails and Activities. When you see the app appear in the results, click on it. Then select Add to Board and choose the board you're currently working on if prompted. This app is what allows you to send, receive, and track emails directly within monday.com, so it's an essential step. Once the app has been added to your board, you'll need to connect your email account. Open the Emails and Activities panel, which you can usually find within the item view or as a dedicated section inside your board. Inside this panel, click on Connect Account. Monday.com will then ask you to choose your email provider. You can select Gmail, Outlook, or another supported provider depending on what you use. After choosing your provider, you'll be redirected to log into your email account. Enter your credentials if prompted. You'll then see a permission screen asking you to grant monday.com access to your email. This is necessary so the platform can send emails on your behalf and display incoming and sent messages inside your board. Carefully review the permissions and then click Allow or Approve to complete the connection. Once you've granted access, you'll be redirected back to monday.com. Now it's time to verify that everything is connected properly. Go back to the Emails and Activities panel and check the settings. You should see your connected email account listed there. If the connection was successful, your inbox and sent emails will begin appearing inside the panel. This confirms that your email is now fully integrated with your board. If you don't see your emails right away, refresh the page and give it a few seconds to sync. Now that your email is connected, you're ready to start sending emails directly from monday.com. Open any item in your board. Inside the Emails and Activities section, click on Email. A compose window will appear. Here you can enter the recipient's email address, and in many cases you can even link it directly from an email column in your board to save time and reduce errors. Next, add your subject line. Then write your message in the body area. You can format your text as needed and even attach files if necessary. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your email will be delivered through your connected account, and the conversation will automatically be tracked within that item. This makes it incredibly easy to keep a full history of communication tied to specific tasks, deals, or clients. And that's it. You've successfully connected your email to monday.com, verified the integration, and learned how to start sending emails directly from your board. Keeping your communications centralized like this can dramatically improve team transparency and productivity. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.